So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about a topic which many people have been debating on the internet of why many people in AI automation space prefer make.com over Zapier. Now Zapier has been around for a while and is still a solid pick if you need something quick and simple. It's easy to set up and it works well for basic automations. But once you want to do more than just if this then that stuff, it starts to feel a bit outdated. Tools like make.com just offer way more room to grow. Now, what is Make.com and how it is better than Zapier in 2025? Make just feels like what automation should be in 2025. It is flexible, it is visually good, and actually fun to use. It lets you build advanced workflows with conditions, delays, and loops, and way more functionalities, all without writing a single line of code. It is perfect if we are tired of hitting limits with older tools and want more control without any complexity. So, what is the basic difference between Make and Zapier? Where Zapier offers us a linear step by step list style builder, Make offers us a visual flowchart based builder with drag and drop logic. Where Zapier is very beginner friendly with simple UI, Make.com has a slight learning curve but is very powerful once understood. Where Zapier offers limited conditional logic or paths, Make.com supports conditional logic, loops, routers, branching, error handling, and much more. Zapier is better for linear, basic workflows, and Make.com is ideal for multi-step automations, nested flows, and split paths. Whereas Zapier becomes more expensive as we wish to scale it. Make.com has more operations at lower pricing tiers. Although Zapier has 6,000 plus applications for integration, but we don't have much control over it. Whereas Make.com has 1,000 plus applications, which is more than enough for most of the people. It is more powerful and it has more customizable modules, where Zapier's community and support focuses on larger support ecosystem and documentation, Make focuses on growing faster, active forums, and community templates. No doubt Zapier, even in 2025, is very good for beginners or teams doing basic tasks or repetitive tasks across various platforms. Make.com is very useful for automators, developers, solopreneurs, agency needing custom workflows. Zapier offers more limited usage and access on free plans. So whether you are running an agency, managing a coaching business, or running a newsletter, Make can help you automate the boring stuff. Things like sending automatic replies, updating lead lists, creating invoices, or even setting up entire client onboarding system. Although these things can be performed on Zapier, but they are way more complicated and many features that are available on Make may not be available on Zapier. It's also very useful for startups and bigger teams who need more power and customization than Zapier usually allows. If you are looking for a way to work smarter instead of harder, and you want something that's flexible, powerful, and honestly kind of fun to use, Make.com is 100% worth checking out. And also, if you want to join Make.com, there will be link down in the description. So you can go join it from there. Thank you.